Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brennan here, and I promised that I would create this video, which is essentially a case study of a new traffic source that I'm trying called ManyChat. Now, in this video, I'm actually going to document what I learned, what I've been doing, and how it's led to really good success for me. The only reason why I know how to do this properly is because I actually got on a phone call with a friend of mine who's an expert at Facebook bots and ManyChat. So I actually learned from somebody that's in the trenches that knows exactly how to do this. And I basically know the best way to do this from him. So now I'm able to basically show you what I learned. So if you take a look at this page here, you can see I just did a Google search for ManyChat. ManyChat, there are other Facebook bots. ManyChat is the most popular and the most well-known one, okay? Now, if we go into ManyChat, you're going to see my dashboard here. This is my active subscribers. And once you have subscribers in your ManyChat, you can essentially send them broadcast messages similar to how you would send an email. But if we go into my email as an example, and I just sent out an email, so this one just got sent out, so that one doesn't count. Typically, an average email will generate me about 400 clicks, but that's sending to 61,000 people. ManyChat, the first email I sent out, I got 232 clicks and 132 clicks on this last one, which was kind of like a last minute one. But that is based on like 700, 800 people. So you can see here the click rate is 38.2% and 21.1%. Whereas with email, my click rate for a standard email is about 1%. So your results actually, for the audience size, you get a lot more reach for your audience with something like ManyChat, which is why I'm super excited about it. But what you need to learn about, okay, what exactly is ManyChat in the first place? That's what I'm going to cover right now. And then I want to talk about like, okay, the best practice, how to set this up the right way, and how you should set it up. So first of all, what ManyChat allows you to do is send Facebook messages to anybody that opts into your ManyChat. Now, if you're creating like an email, this is what you would do. If you're creating an email list, you'd set up like a landing page where you'd ask for their first name, their email, and then get them to enter their data, right? Now with ManyChat, on the other hand, see if I can go here. With ManyChat, on the other hand, you can do this same landing page, or you can just give people a link where they're automatically subscribed. So imagine being able to do that in email marketing, where you could send somebody a link, and if they just clicked on that link, they became an email subscriber. Well, people will be pretty freaking excited about that, right? Well, with Facebook ManyChat, you can do that with a list similar to an email list that actually has a way higher click rate. So that's what's so super cool about it. And people are going to be getting Facebook messages from you through this ManyChat when you do a broadcast. So here's how you want to set it up, guys. You click on Growth Tools, and then you're going to see at the top right here, there's a button that says New Growth Tool. So you're going to click on that. When you've clicked on that, you're going to see all these different options. So you got a bar, slide in, takeover, all this stuff. And then you have what's called Messenger Ref URL. So you want to click on this Messenger Ref URL, okay? Now, the reason why Messenger Ref URL is the best option of those is that's the one where people click on the link and they're automatically subscribed. There's no opt-in, they don't need to do anything. They click the link, boom, they're subscribed, okay? Now, once we get in there to Messenger Ref URL, you're gonna click on the edit button here, and that's gonna allow you to actually edit your ManyChat in here, okay? So it says, welcome, first name. This supports emojis or any kind of characters or any emojis or anything that you would do in your normal Facebook messaging, you can do in ManyChat, because it's essentially the Facebook Messenger editor, and it's being broadcasted to Facebook Messenger, so you can do all that stuff. So here it says, welcome, thank you for joining, all this stuff, blah, 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 blah. You need to have this line right here where it says, PS, if you ever want to unsubscribe, just type stop. That is giving people the option to unsubscribe if they want to. As a terms of service, you have to have that included, and it's something you should include anyways, because you don't want to force people to hear your messages. You want people to actually want to hear your messages, right? So we would just add in text or whatever we want here. You can put in this delay here. and the delay makes it look like you're typing, and then it sends the subsequent message. So that can give it a little bit more of a real appearance. You could do that if you want. And what I like to do is I like to give away a free, something for free in the ManyChat, because essentially ManyChat could be seen as annoying and definitely overly salesy if you're always selling with it. And because this is a social media platform, people have less tolerance for being sold to. People are used to being sold to an email, but when it comes to Facebook, they're a little bit less used to it. So you kind of have to be a little bit more careful and warmer with how you're communicating with people. So that's why in the very beginning, I recommend giving away something for free. And this is what I learned from my expert friend that does ManyChat. He said that if you want to get the best results with ManyChat, you need to train people to actually engage with your messages. So what he does is he says something like, would you like a free copy of whatever it is, the Fuego multiplier, the loss code, whatever, a cheat sheet, whatever you have for free to give away. Okay, so would you like a free copy of the Fuego multiplier? Now you're going to see below this text here that there's an add button option here. If I click that, it's going to give me options to open up to a new website, a number to call, something else. Actually, the best option, according to my buddy who does this really well, is to click on send message. And we need to title the button here. So click here for access. I need to do to access. So there we go. So there my button is done. Oh, okay. So you give, actually, I take that back. So instead of saying, would you like a free copy of the Fuego multiplier? What you're really doing here is saying, yes, please, I would. Something like that. Okay. And then the second option, you're saying, no, thank you. No thanks. And again, go to send message. So what you're essentially doing is you're creating these attachments. So if somebody clicks on yes, please, I would, then they're going to get the yes, please message. If somebody clicks on the no thanks, they're going to get the no thanks message. So if they click on the yes, please, I would like that option, then you say awesome sauce or whatever you want to do. Doesn't really matter. Here is, I think I said, like, let's get straight to the goods. Let's get straight to the goods. Here's your free copy. And I like to do a pointing down emoji. And the reason why I do that is because sometimes people get confused, and with the point down, it's like pointing straight to the button. So I click on this add button, and then I would have click here to access. And in this case, I would actually have the open website, and then the URL is going to be your freebie, whatever you're giving away for free there. So we're going to click on done, and that one's done, okay? And we can actually title this one the yes response, okay? Now in this second message, I'm going to click on the editor here and go the no response. And in this case, we'd say, oh, okay then. I'll leave you a free copy anyways. Oops. Just in case you change your mind. Now, you don't have to do this, just in case you change your mind, but, you know, who really cares? You're giving them a free copy either way. They don't have to take it, but I don't know why they wouldn't. Most people are going to say yes, please, and if they say no, thank you, then you could just say go ahead and like, oh, no worries. Well, I'll leave it here just in case you change your mind. Or you can say no, thanks. Oh, okay, no worries. Have a good day. Doesn't really matter. And so click here to access again. And open website. Again, this is going to be your freebie. Okay, so that one. And then after we're done, we click on the publish button. Okay, now that we've clicked our publish button, this was what was confusing to me. You click on growth tools again, and you click on the one that you just created. So that's this one right here. And you click on setup, and this is your link. Okay, now watch. If I go to this link, this address right here, it's going to do exactly what I want it to do. I need to be logged into Facebook. So let me just make sure that I'm logged in here. So when I do this, watch this. It's going to do exactly what I want it to do. Okay. You're going to notice here, we're a little bit frozen up, but I've already done this ManyChat thing before. But if I go down here, it's going to send me these messages. Welcome, Brendan. Thanks for subscribing. Whatever. I didn't really change any of this. Would you like a free copy of the Fuego Multiplier? Yes, I would. No, thanks. So if I click on yes, please, I would, then it gives them the free copy. If I click on no thanks, which I can't do anymore because I already chose, then it's going to say, oh, okay, then, well, here's a copy anyways. Just by clicking that link, they're automatically on my ManyChat list, okay? And with my ManyChat list, now I have like 750 people in here. I can go to broadcasts, I can click on new broadcast, and I can go ahead and send out a Facebook message to everybody that's on my ManyChat list at any time that I want. And all they had to do to get on my list was just literally click that link, and that's it, okay? Now, how awesome would this be, because you're giving something away for free, to go to a bunch of places like Facebook groups, on online answer sites or wherever you want to go, or YouTube, like you could have YouTube comments where you have really good response and they say, hey, here's a free bonus, click my link. You could get a crap ton of people on your messenger list without paying for any traffic at all, just by promising to give people something away from free all over the internet. So that's one real cool way to build a list right away. Another option is paid traffic. So you can actually buy solo ads, or you can buy, as far as like Facebook ads and Google ads would be concerned, you'd have to have a landing page and have the landing page be compliant. So that'd be a bit trickier. But solo ads, you could go straight to the ManyChat link. And then of course, if you have existing customers like me and Jono, then you can give somebody a free bonus on your list that's already your customer and make them so that they're on not just your email list, but they're also on your ManyChat list. And the great thing about that is ManyChat list has a higher click rate. I have almost matched the amount of clicks that I get with email with my ManyChat list, and I started doing this 4 days ago. So the potential is rather insane, and both myself and Jono have plans in the future to increase our ManyChat list as much as possible because it is a massive opportunity. That's the tutorial, guys. I did this the other day for 2 different purposes. I got people onto my live webinar, and I also got people onto my live product review. Both times it worked like a charm. It's super exciting. I think it's super powerful, and hopefully this case study and tutorial helps you if you decide that you want to add this to your marketing repertoire. So thanks for watching the video. Talk to you soon.